Okay, now we're getting it back together. Starting like a truck again. Got the hood hinge back on, got the hood where I don't have to worry about falling on my head anymore. Got the new blue fender on it. Get everything lined up, squared away. Need to go pick up my bumper for it. I believe it's gonna look pretty good. I believe this thing with pink, with hot pink flames in it's gonna look great. Just kidding, Judy. I had to pick on you a little bit there. Don't take me up on that pink truck deal. A lot of girls would love to have a pink truck with hot pink flames. I think it's going to turn out pretty good. We'll get some more videos of it when we get it outside.